Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region as well as some rain showers in the area. And taking a look at the current radar imagery across the area, you can see rain showers in abundance off to our west. Those rain showers are going to continue to move into the area, and we'll see rain likely, especially once we move past noon today. You're going to see a period of moderate rain as well as a chance of a thunderstorm embedded within this rainfall. Have an area low pressure tracking through the region, and even seeing a lightning strike across central Virginia this morning, but overall those lightning chances look to be fairly slim, only going to top out about 20 to 30% across the region, but I can't rule it out for later this afternoon. Rainfall, though, does look likely with near 100% chance of rainfall throughout the afternoon and the evening hours today. Also see some windy conditions developing out of the northeast for later this afternoon. We'll have this area low pressure tracking through the region that's going to intensify our winds across the area, and should see some wind gusts possibly up to 30 knots for later this afternoon. Take a look at our sounding from this morning. Freezing level around 7,000 feet. Winds out of the northeast at 15 knots in low levels, then quickly switching out of the southeast to southerly component in the mid levels and increasing only up to 20 knots. And seeing our winds 25,000 feet out of the southwest near 50 knots this morning. Our current surface analysis, we did have an area low pressure over the Tennessee Valley. It's currently moving towards our region. It's going to move off our coast for later today into tonight, and then kind of linger off the coast for Saturday, giving us some unsettled conditions for today and some dreary weather for the first half of the weekend. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of cloud cover across the area currently. Going to see this area of low pressure currently across, as I mentioned, the Tennessee Valley into the western portions of the Atlantic region, moving towards our region and off our coast for tonight into tomorrow. We'll see rainfall moving into the area. You can see here area of cumulus as well, convective weather off to our south and to our west across southern and western Virginia into central and northern North Carolina. This area of rainfall is going to be moving towards our region and giving us that chance of a thunderstorm as well. Taking a look at the HRRR model for today into tomorrow, you can see the rainfall building in, especially afternoon today, 1600 UTC. You can see it moving towards the region and through the area during the evening hours, and looks like we'll have a chance of a thunderstorm after 1600 local at 4 p.m. this afternoon, and then continuing during the evening hours with this area low pressure tracking through the region. We'll have some heavier rainfall possible with any of those convective showers moving through, and looks like most models have increased our total precipitation with this system, possibly 1 to 2 inches across the area. So looking at our forecast, according to HRRR for Saturday, we'll have this area low pressure just off, looks like the Ocean City coastline. It's going to be pinwheeling some light showers and drizzle across our region throughout the day on Saturday. So it looks like Saturday is going to be a fairly dreary day with low clouds likely. Move into Sunday, we'll have some improving conditions, especially during the afternoon. HRRR does clear it out a bit faster than most models, but should see some better conditions, especially by Sunday afternoon. The European model the next few days, you can see that area low pressure just off our coastline Saturday morning, with even some snowfall across the interior northeast states. So some chilly air across our region as well. Going to see temperatures on Saturday only in the upper 40s to lower 50s for highs with some breezy conditions. Moving to Sunday, you can see here the European does continue to give us a chance of a shower in the morning or some drizzle, but by Sunday afternoon should see things start to clear out as this area low pressure moves off the coast. Upper level low as well moves off the coast, so with some drier air in the mid levels, should see that low level cloud cover and mid level cloud cover move out of the region. And moving into our Monday, we'll have a warm front moving through during the morning hours. Could possibly see a sprinkle with that, just some more clouds during the morning, and then looks like a good amount of sunshine for the afternoon. Temperatures warming into the upper 60s and near 70 on Monday, and very similar conditions for Tuesday with the cold front moving through the region. Most likely it'll be a dry cold front. Can't rule out a sprinkle on Tuesday, but overall just some mild conditions, breezier on Tuesday than on Monday. And then on Wednesday we'll see a cooler air mass move in the region. An upper level trough digs over the eastern portion of the United States once again, and especially the northeast and Atlantic states. It's going to give us some cooler weather, and that will linger into Thursday of next week before we possibly see a warm up with another system approaching for late next week into the weekend. So looking at our risk chart across the board today, we're going to have rainfall likely, high today of 55, low tonight of 45, as well as low clouds likely across the region. So that rainfall, red conditions from now till midnight, low clouds below 500 feet of visibility is below a mile. Look like the best chance between noon and through tomorrow morning. Going to see those winds becoming breezy to windy as we move into the late morning and the afternoon hours, with a red condition for our winds between 12 local and 20 local. Those winds will slowly die down overnight and switch out of the northwest, and possibly seeing wind gusts up to 23 knots by tomorrow morning out of the northwest at 8 local. Looking at our terminal forecast, we'll see low cloud ceilings throughout the day today, anywhere from about 1,000 to 500 feet in general. We're picking up a chance of a thunderstorm from 4 p.m. until 10 p.m. or 1,600 local till 2,200 local. That chance is running about a 20 to 30% chance of a thunderstorm. And we'll also see a likely time period of moderate rainfall across the region after about 1,400 local or 2 p.m. today. By tomorrow morning, we'll continue a chance of some drizzle, but overall, just some breezy conditions, low clouds likely with some reduced visibilities. Our tides are running normal at this time, and looking at Saturday and Sunday, Saturday overcast and breezy with a chance of light rain and drizzle, especially during the morning, high 51. Saturday night, overcast, a slight chance of lingering drizzle and light rain, low clouds likely a low 41. And for Sunday, overcast with low clouds during the morning, becoming mostly cloudy during the afternoon, slightly breezy at a high 58 degrees. So the next 7 days, looking at that unsettled weather pattern we have for today into tomorrow, improving on Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday, back to more spring-like weather, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Slight chance we see a sprinkle on Tuesday morning. And then Wednesday into Thursday, as I mentioned, have a cool air mass move in the region. Temperatures back below normal, upper 50s on Wednesday and near 60 on Thursday. But as I mentioned, should have another system approaching for late next week. Most likely we'll see a little bit of warm air moving in the region before we see possibly another cooler air mass moving into the following weekend. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Back on Monday morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.